Hello. In this exercise, we're going to practice our deep breathing. You're going to see two pictures during the exercise. The first will be cookies. You're going to breathe in for the cookies and breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Then you will see some hot cocoa. Breathe out through your mouth for 4 seconds. You're going to be breathing in the scent of those cookies and out to make sure the hot cocoa is not too hot. Here we go. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 That's it. If you'd like to practice again, go ahead and restart this video. But we're starting slow. Just a little bit of learning how. Breathe in and out.